Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm joining here with Rafael.
Hey!
And we are trying some Brazilian candies and snacks and stuff. So yeah, please join us. So we have a lot of crap here. What are we starting with?
Let's see, we have lots of candy, so maybe we should start with, let's see, this one?
Yeah, sure.
So
and that is what?
It's called bananinha.
Bananinha?
It's good, it's not bad.
It doesn't smell that good.
You should just try it.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Banana candy. Why are you...
Let me see your face.
Doesn't taste anything. Huh?
Let me guess, you didn't have the taste that you thought it would have.
No, it tastes like candy actually, but not as... It doesn't taste banana that much.
No, only in the end.
No? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I could eat this.
Well,
No, maybe I will give it like...
to your kids.
No. I need to rate this. So in maybe a 6 out of 10?
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a 6. A solid 6.
Yeah, that's pretty good for the first one.
Yes. Let's continue the trend for a little bit.
Yeah.
What about this one?
Yeah.
Those are dried stuff. Banana Pasa. Let's see what he thinks it is.
Yeah, but this is just dried banana. Banana pasa. Damn it! This smells a lot.
Nay.
It smells... If you forgot the banana in your car for like 3 days or something, this is the smell. Oh, it's sticky as well.
Yes, it is.
Why? Is this common in Brazil?
Yes.
Why?
You buy that in the supermarket.
Uh-huh. Nah. Do you like this?
Not really.
Nah, well, this was not good. No, I wouldn't like.
Put it on the... Yep.
So, banana pasta was 1.5 out of 10, maybe 2.
You're so generous.
Not the best one.
Just to make something different, let's go for some salty stuff.
Yeah.
Now, this is called Pingo de Ouro.
It was upside down.
Yeah, it should be like that. Now it's written.
Okay. I see bacon.
Yep.
That's always a good sign.
It's bacon flavored. I guess you don't need to guess much.
No, so it's like bacon chips or something, but it's rings, bacon rings.
Yeah.
Yeah, this smells good. Oh, it's really small as well.
Yes,
so it's
they are.
like they're
So
tiny.
you should eat a lot.
I should eat a lot.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, like that.
Okay. This smells really good. This is going to be really good.
Yep.
So everything in the same time?
Yeah, go.
This is good. This is really good. I think this is maybe an 8. 8 out of 10. Yeah, this is really good. Really good.
Champion.
So Pingo d'Oro.
Pingo de Ouro.
Pingo d'Oro. Yeah, Pingo d'Oro. Yeah, that was
Quite good.
yeah.
Oh yeah, of course. We should have something to drink. Please let me put some water. And but that's the important thing. It's pretty much Brazilian.
The fruit or the...
No, the thing.
But we have the Swedish saft that's pretty much like this, but jordgubbssaft is better than this. So I will maybe give it, yeah.
Look at that.
So I will give it like 7 maybe? 7 out of 10.
Oh, that's good.
Maybe
7.
6, yeah. 6 or 7, something like, yeah.
Okay.
Cartope artificial sabor de grosseria. That was pretty good.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Candy, right? Let's go back to the candy.
Yeah, sure.
So let's get you something that you said you wouldn't like. That's called paçoquita. It's a very typical candy from Brazil. Okay. Now he is complaining because he looked on the back and it's been here for a while.
But it looks like dog candy.
Nah, it's not.
Dog food. I'm 100% sure I'm not going to.
You will probably like that.
You think?
Yeah. Just eat it.
Oh,
You
this
will
is
like
really,
it.
yeah.
You will like it, but eat here because it might be a bit flaky.
But it looks like, yeah. But this,
Yeah, not always the pretty food, but usually the tasty ones. I knew that you would like it.
No, damn it! I really thought I would hate this.
Told you, man.
Yes.
It's a candy.
Yeah.
You are the candy man, so.
It tastes exactly like jordnötsringar here in Sweden. It's really good.
Good.
I think this is same as those. I think this is 8 or something. But if I saw this in a store,
You wouldn't buy it.
no, I would never buy it. It looks gross, but
It is what it is.
whatever. No, I will name this. Paçoquita.
Yeah. Close enough.
It was, really good. Well done, Brazil. Very, very good.
This is also peanut candy. Okay, it's called pé de moleque.
Wait, perimoleki? Oh,
Here's the name of the candy. This is the
okay. So, perimoleki.
yeah.
Perimoleki.
Yep.
Whatever.
No mess.
Handy.
Yep.
Perfect. If it's peanut, it's good, and then it's something like it doesn't smell anything. Ooh,
It's hard.
it's really hard. No, I wouldn't buy that. Maybe 4 out of 10 or something. It's hard and I'm chewing and get nothing for it.
So this is called bees.
Bees?
Yes.
Okay, so I could pronounce that.
Yeah.
So it looks like kexchoklad here in Sweden.
Let's see.
Let's take a biss. Yeah. It's exactly the same thing as kexchoklad. Maybe a little bit darker chocolate here, but it's really good. I'm thinking 8 or maybe 9. Guys, this was really good.
That.
Yeah. This get a 9. Actually, I'm generous now, but it was really good.
So this is called biscoito de polvilho, the salty version.
But wait, I think I didn't like your pronunciation.
Okay, you should say it better.
Salgado is salt or
Salty.
Biscoito de Wait, give a minute here. Biscuito de polvillo.
Quite close.
Something like that. It looks like something my kid would eat.
Yes, that could be interesting.
Nee.
It's good.
No, it smells really bad.
Nah.
But I wouldn't say it's really good. It's like, it's salty and that's nice and all, but a 5 maybe. 5 out of 10.
Okay, now we have this one that is a candy made out of milk. You can read that?
Gotas de leche. Leite, but it's leche is milk in Spanish and it should be the same in Portuguese as well.
Yes, it's leche.
Leche.
Instead of leche.
So goitas de leite, and
It's
this
milk drops.
should be really good. It should be like something like milk chocolate or something. Or
No, it's very different from.
nee.
Okay.
Damn it!
You need to fight in order to eat.
I'm pretty sure I'm going to like these. Looks good. Small little. So it's definitely not milk chocolate.
Maybe after drinking coffee or tea.
Yeah, that would to a coffee or something. I don't drink coffee, but whatever. But to a small fika. Yeah, here in Sweden we have fika a lot, so you need to have something to that. Yeah, it's a lot of great numbers here.
Yeah, no.
So I would say something like 7 or something.
Oh,
Yeah.
7. So you mean that this is better than that?
Yeah, Bees is a lot better than this. I've actually tasted this before. It's Guava, and I'm pretty sure I didn't like it the first time, but
You never know?
yeah, I never know. I will give it a try. But this is like dried fruit, right?
No, it's a candy made out of a fruit called Guava.
Yeah, I'm skeptical right now. I'm really skeptical.
You should be.
Why are we doing this?
I'll eat that with you. Here.
The name, what was this name?
Goiabada.
Goiabada.
Here. Go.
Nee, why are you... It's fruity and yeah. I can see why people like it. It's...
Just not for you.
No, not for me. It tasted exactly as I thought it would. And I didn't like it the first one, so... It's the Guava, it's 3 out of 10. Yeah. I don't drink tea often, so I will take this to my fiance and Jenny will drink this and she will rate it, but I think that's maybe better for everyone.
Best.
Yeah. Garato.
That's
Garoto. Sorry. It's a lot of different.
Lots of candy.
Yeah. No, 7 or 8, somewhere there.
Very good.
Oh. So, except for the bananas, thank you. Do you have some closing Closing words?
Closing words. I think you should tell me now. If you had to go to Brazil and buy something, which of those would you buy?
We have something like this in Sweden. We have something similar like this to buy, but we don't have something similar like this. So I would actually, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I would buy Pasa and bring to my family because it was really good and it was something different. It looks like dog food or something, so yeah. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up. If you would like Rafael to be in another movie, just write that in the comments below. And then if you want to subscribe to the channel, please press here. And see you guys later. Bye!
Bye!